Au e te rawa kore te pōhara, te ngoi kore, te tangati aroha nui ki te whenua, te oranga mitinga kore. Ai. Kia ora tātou. I remember one time I was saying to my papa, I said, can you teach me te reo? He said, e tama man, I gave you that piece of paper. I said, oh, not that one, it's too long. Had this big long tau parapara, went on for a couple of days. And I said, oh no, not that one, Dad. And then he says, well, I gave you those karakia. I said, oh no, not karakia, I just wanna learn how to speak Māori, you know, I just wanna learn how to say hello and stuff. And he goes, hello. He's an old bugger, but you know, he's gone now, but you know, I get it, you know, I finally learnt that long paper he gave me, and it was the old people's way of saying hello. It was a journey around all the different significant places of the time, the rangatira, the activities, the things that were going on at the time, those events, and it mihi to each one of those aspects. And it was a way of how our old people would say hello to each other. And I finally get it now. And then another thing was, he said, well, you know, when you learn karakia, son, I said, oh no, Dad, I'm not training to be a minister. I got kicked out of Hapapaura. I drank too much of the altar wine. But he said, no, he said, you know, te reo, you know, the karakia. I said, oh, I don't understand it. He said, no, you don't have to understand it totally. You know, you just do the karakia over and over again. And mā te wā, in time, it will imbue itself within you. And then, you know, one day then your understanding, it will come out, you'll understand. But in the meantime, someone might come up to you and go, hey brother, can you do a karakia for this kai, or for this, or for that? And so you'll do your karakia. But then one day, then someone will say to you, have you been improving your reo? Have you been going to reo classes? You say, no. But anyway, I get it now. It was through the karakia and through learning karakia that it really did help me with my reo earlier on. But anyway, before you try and make it into a long video, I'm just gonna there's so many different karakia, but here's one, and just how the old people like put it together. You know, there's many versions of the Our Father, and each denomination, they all have a different version of it, but I don't know which one this is. But I was working with one kaumātua, and we thought we'd do it. I said, oh, I can only do it, and it goes like this, and I did it really fast. But if you talk to me and I stop, I have to start again, because I only know it like a rote fashion like that. So we slowed it down, and anyway, it goes something like this, whānau. E tō mātou matua i te rangi, kia whakatapua tō ingoa, kia tai mai tō rangatiratanga, kia whakaritia tō hia ki te whenua, kia pērā anō hoki ki tō te rangi. Ho mai kia mātou anai anei, he taro mo mātou mo tēnei wā. Murua o mātou hara, me mātou e murua i ngā hara o te hunga e harana kia mātou. Kaua mātou e tukua kia whakawaia, engari whakaorangia mātou i te kino. Nau hoki te rangatiratanga, te kaha, me te kororia, o āke, āmene. So kia ora tātou, anei he waia ta tautoko ki tēnā. Aroha mai, I'm a bit rusty. Murua mai. E tō mātou matua i te rangi, Kia whakatapua tō ingoa, kia tai mai tō rangatiratanga, kia mea tia tau e pai ai ki runga ki te whenua, kia pera anō hoki ki tō te rangi. O mai kia mātou ai anei, he taro mō mātou mō te neira. Murua o mātou hara, me mātou hoki e muru nei. Ki o te hunga e hara, ki a mātou. Kaua hoki mātou e tauia, kia whakawaia. Engari whakaorangia mātou ki te kino. Noho ki te rangatiratanga, te kaha me te kororia. Tina, haumi e hui e, tāiki e. Pō Māori e whānau. Murua mai, it's a bit long. Pō Māori e.